Teenager, my knee. Y'all already know the drill. No great day starts with tea. What is this? Hey guys, welcome back to yet another video. If you're new here, hi, I'm Nana and thank you for tuning in. I hope you like it here enough to like, comment and share and subscribe to join our beautiful family. And to the starbeams, hey baby, I hope you're doing well and welcome back. I'm bored. I'm bored. Yeah, as I was saying, I'm really happy home. I like it here so much. Expeditiously, I need to move out. Like, I've been here for ages now. I can't take this anymore. I eat food because I'm bored, stressed, and bored and stressed, and I want to leave. And please excuse the background noise. There's something happening in my background. I don't know what. Yeah, I want to leave. It's beginning up. Do you all see what I mean? As if being with them is not enough, they have to come in and ruin my vlogs. No, calm your tits, it's not gonna happen.
I made it for nothing, no turn to something from nothing. Rated through property on our minority, you know the story. Hop on the jet on my property and fly away. Fly, blah, blah, away. I'm in prison, yeah. Straight out the trenches, yeah. My niggas can't whip me, yeah.
I wanna
The
film,
richest,
but I
richest,
wanna
the
take
richest, yeah. Rich nigga house on six, yeah. All these hoes can't win, yeah. I'm over get KB, yeah, yeah. I try to fight temptation. Top gun is on vacation. I'm not trying to hurt no one.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Sputu. Happy birthday to you. Hooray! Unangapi?
18. 18.
flower. Gile.
Oh.
Wow.
Pinabuyisela amanzi ami.
This is a 10 out of
Asos. It's not nenhlama ninje.
Ire le nhlama. Jonga yadibana le nhlama.
Hayithi nemayibili inhlama. Welcome back to another day. Electricity has been gone for like over 4 hours now. So yeah, I got in the mood to clean this flat and the bathroom. It has stuff and I want to sort them out and also find a book because I'm so chronically online. Time I don't even have internet, so it's breaking my heart. I need to reconnect with books. You get me? So I'm gonna find my books. I have a lot of books. Others I didn't even start. Some I just didn't finish. So I'm just gonna restart every book. I don't mind rereading a book. So I'm gonna get back to that me and read a book. I'm gonna show you this flat. It's actually a mess and it's very scary. Things that they don't want, they throw in here. Lapo, time and time I've been saying, I work here. Self-employed babies are up. I work here. I work here. Even if my work doesn't bring in any money, I work here. Still, it's my little sanctuary. Yeah, so let's clean it. I hate this because now I don't even know where to start. Like, I hate it so much. This is harder than I thought. Now I'm just tired by just looking at this place, like in Qatar. Ugh, gosh.
I told him, well, I'm a little busy. He said, damn, I'm in your city. But anyway, it's okay. Hope you have a good day. I'ma see you by day 50. Then I told him, you treat me so well. He said, cash out for sale. Matter of fact, scratch that. I'ma see what's that just cause you fine.
Now, let's think of ways to rearrange and redecorate this room. This is the bathroom that I wanna organize. Let me show you. I think they need superpowers because what the fuck.
Are you on your way?
How's this cute?
Are you coming soon to me?
Yeah, I know, I'm joking.
Uber to your
Now that that room is done, I need to sort this one and everything that I don't want here. I'm just gonna send to that room. If this bed is gonna be here, I need to cover it or yeah, put something, sheets and a cover. I'm so tired. Okay, let me take a break and actually watch one episode. I'm currently watching EXO Kitty, so I'm just gonna do that, and then after an episode I'm gonna start cleaning this room, because if I'm gonna stay here I need to take this room as mine and then make it more fitting to my aesthetic, because it's not giving at all. I want about to with this wardrobe is gonna disappear because I can't deal with it. Like in my nightmares, literally in daymars. Sorry mom, but so yeah, here again guys. I know I was supposed to be what? Wait. I was only supposed to watch one episode, but I ended up watching the whole thing. So yeah, after I watched the whole thing, kind of got motivated and had an outfit vision. So yeah, I do have to clean. Whatever I do with this space, I need to have a corner where I can create a reel, because I want to do Instagram reels more than anything. And the outfit vision needs to come out proper. They say work with what you have, and what I have right now is my brain, not money to go out and take pictures. It's just my brain. So I need to dollar something, and the only corner that seems to be working is that one, because the ceiling is still intact, everything that side. I don't know what's happening and I'm so pissed and annoyed. So let's do this. I can love you in the dark. It feels like we roll oceans apart. There is so much space between us. Maybe we already defeat. Yes. Yeah. We have a problem. Good lighting is actually coming from this side. but you won't be able to see it because of this window. But like the lighting that I want is coming from that side. Look what I found. I didn't know we had these, but I think I only found one. Chin Chin. I don't even know this artist. These artists, various artists. There's April Wine, Benny Paul. I don't know, but I'm sure it's my dad's. But this is kind of cute. I'm gonna use it as wall decoration. So Babana when he finds out, I don't care.
Hey, dude. What's up, girl? It's your time, babe. Yeah, cheese. Magandando London.
Until the flowers of Valentine's.
Please eat chocolate. Dubai chocolate. There got like 300. And it's a country road bag.
Hi.
And it's a Luella slides. And then
I know. Ambitious. What is crazy work? Umchato didi.
ingane.
Hi. Fine.
Are you on your way? Are you coming soon to me? No parking in the bay, so I'ma send an Uber to you.
I did not finish cleaning here yesterday, and I'm too lazy to do anything today because it's so hot. Like, it's so hot. I'm sweating by just not doing anything. I'm sweating like I was doing workouts, but I was literally sitting down. Okay, I think I'm gonna buy a novel. I don't know. I'm gonna buy it because I really want to read books again. Like, I feel like I'm in that mood to read books again because I didn't have time throughout the whole varsity to read books. So I just need to read a book. I want to read a book.
Thatha inkuku uyifaka apha ebhoksini yakho. Thatha inkuku. Akafaka nenkuku eyi-1.
HP 15S Intel Core i7 16-inch laptop at 13,999. Save 1,000 rand. So if you're in the mood to stock up and save.
Guys, we took out the stand, so now what's left is for me to rearrange this room and make it more fitting to the vision that I had for it. I think it's coming together, but there's still some things that I don't want in this room. Let's do this. I'm low-key excited, but yeah, let's do this. Work in progress. And this is the side you will never see again in your life. This is so cool. It's gonna go up here. I need it here, and then I'm gonna have 2 Polaroids here, and then I think the whole space is gonna be bags. I think that's something. Yeah, we'll see. So I'm done here for now. Hey guys, welcome to another day into the vlog. Today it is quite gloomy, so the weather just set the whole mood of the day. So I'll be in this room chilling, journaling. I'm so glad that I cleaned it because I really believe in the saying, I don't know if it's a saying, but I really believe a decluttered space always results to a decluttered mind. So now I can just chill and jot some things and really plan out how I want this month to go and things that I want to do this month. 2025 is only starting now. January was just a trial month. So yeah, I'm so tired. I tried sleeping, but I'm not really sleepy. I'm just tired. So decided today I wanted without milk, like my tie. OTD of the day. Striped shorts and a t-shirt that I got from promoting Stasofro, and then flip-flops. It's so hot and I'm so tired. Today I have nothing to do. And that's not a good thing because I'm bored.
Yeah, working that stick out the back of the truck, get feisty. Tired of that fake like a Gucci man when brr.
Is this the lighting I was gunning for? I am not sure. I really am not sure. But I hope when I take videos with the back camera, it's gonna be better. But this is not top tier. It's not top tier, but it's something. So we can work with this. I got me a chick, I got a chick. Anyways. I did. Tol banana leli. Hey guys, welcome back to another day. I'm back from the mall. I went to the mall today and this was my little OOTD. Yeah, just in a comfort. You get me? So I pretty much got almost everything that I wanted. So I'm gonna redo the soul now. Oh, today I had a very long morning. It almost ruined my whole day. I'm pissed. The time is literally 1 a.m. I am pissed. I am pissed and I don't. But thank God I bumped into my aunt. She threw in a little words of encouragement and that really helped. Even though she was just saying, but like it really helped because I was like, ain't no way I'm doing this shit anymore. Not this other things. I was like, I'm done. Like I am done. Because it felt like the more effort I put in, the more like things just got worse the more I tried putting in effort. So I was like, fuck that shit. Fuck that shit. But I was like, no girl, it happens. So get up and yourself, basically. That's what she basically said. And I took it. So yeah, I'm okay now. We can do this one. Can we talk for a minute?
Yeah, working that stick out the back of the truck, get feisty.
I feel so academia core Korean girl. I want to show you my fit. Why does it look? I don't like the way it looks now, but like it feels good in the mirror. I feel so, I don't know. I feel like a Korean babe, like a Korean high schooler. I feel like I'm gonna run around Seoul, Japan, something like that when I'm in this outfit, and I like it so much because you'll know me. I really dig the Korean lifestyle. Korea Adidas. Those are my two things.
I got another. I remember popping chickle. I can do ya. Hold me down for me. Bitch, with a swing. If it go left up that thing on the beach, I put that bling on the tits. Feeling like it McDonald's. We play with Andre like the eye for me. Bitch, we ain't wearing back. These
Hello guys.
Hey guys, welcome back to another day into the vlog. My days always start at around 12. The time right now is 11:45. That's the time. And I'm not really hungry, so I'm just gonna really. I think it's the last bit and it's not gonna be even that full. I'm gonna show you how it's literally the crust, because this is literally dust. I think I ate this movie alone and I'm gonna pay for it because this is what's left. Oh, shut up. This is what's left. I'm gonna have it with yogurt. Only because I think the small yogurt is just gonna fit us. Okay, guys, I'm so tired. Oh, so with the so with the room decor that I was trying to do, the vinyl record. So with the room decor that I was trying to do, the vinyl record, I didn't like it with tape, so I tried using gum to stick it to the wall because I don't have plastic, but it kept on falling. So I'm just gonna continue doing it with tape. It's a bit portion. It's a very small portion, but yeah, I'm not really finished, so yeah, it's gonna be alright. I think this is the last part of the vlog because I want to start another one. So if you made it this far, you made it to the end. Congratulations. We had to turn it down. And thank you for that. I love you too. So do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. If you're not already subscribed, of course.